Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome inside Commando's Kitchen. I'm excited to have you here. Just want to give you a warning real quick though. First and foremost, this is probably going to be the least professional cooking video you've seen in a long time. But aside from that, let's just get straight to it and dive in. This recipe is called Fish Scampi. And it's just called that because of the sauce we're going to use. Some of you guys are eating healthy, it doesn't matter, but this is not a deep fried type of cooking situation for fish. It's a little unique, but it's very simple to do. And we like it because it can be done year round. So tonight we're going to be using bluegill, but it's great for, we're here in Midwest America, so it's awesome for like crappie, perch. You can do it with walleye, you can do it with anything, but it's really good for panfish. So again, inside the kitchen here, let's just get straight to the ingredients and I'm going to show you guys what we're going to do. So if you can see this up close here, we're going to do a marinade first. Now this is going to be a 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of Bragg's amino acids, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, 1 tablespoon minced onion, a teaspoon of ground mustard, and a teaspoon of ground pepper. Now what we're going to do here is we are simply just going to put this in a mixing bowl real quick, and I have that right behind me, and we're just going to quickly dump all this in here, get this marinade going. We're going to let the fish marinate for about, at least a good hour, maybe 2 hours, depending on schedule here. Just dumping all this in, literally. Okay? Simple as can be. Gotta get that garlic in there, right? Who else loves garlic? Of course you do. Okay. So, we're just gonna whisk this together real quick. And that's our marinade, okay? So now I have bluegill fillets. These particular fillets are still skin on. You can use whatever kind of fillets you want, like I said, any type of fish. So we're just gonna drop these bluegill fillets in here. I'm gonna get that marinade going. So I don't know how well you can see this here. It's not the prettiest looking, it's gonna look brown. There it is, there's your sauce. There's 1 package of fish. So the recipe that I just gave you and the amount of ingredients is for basically like 1 pound. So I'm cooking for myself tonight. 1 package of bluegills is plenty good. And so we're gonna let that set in the marinade, and then I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do next to prep and get ready to cook this fish. Stay with me. Okay, now we're ready for step number 2. It's simple, it's 2 ingredients. This is all we're gonna do. We're gonna take a 1/2 stick of Kerrygold butter and 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And we're simply going to put that in a microwavable little dish and a little bowl here. And we're just gonna put it in the microwave until it's all melted down. We're gonna stir it together, and that's gonna go on top of the fish. But in the meantime, like I said, our fish has been marinating, so we're getting ready. 2 ingredients, guys, for this part. Avocado oil and Kerrygold butter. That's it. Okay, for step number 3, the final step. So I took the fish out of the marinade and I just put it in an aluminum pan. And color's not pretty, okay? They're brown looking, but it smells awesome. You can smell the garlic and everything like that. And I melted the Kerrygold butter with the the avocado oil. So I'm gonna pour that on there. And while I'm doing that though, I'm gonna give you guys a little quick tip. Okay, so here's something that I've done in the past as well. A lot of you don't know, you can walk into Papa John's and ask them and just buy individual packets of their garlic sauce, their garlic butter that comes in those little containers. I use those things for cooking all the time, okay? But I'm trying, this particular situation, I'm trying to be healthy, so I'm using Kerrygold. A lot of people don't know Kerrygold butter is considered non-dairy. It's actually considered a healthy fat. So I highly recommend that. So I pour the butter on, and now I'm just gonna sprinkle some dill. And finally, I'm just gonna squeeze a lemon on top. That's it, okay? There we go. Okay, so now behind me, I have an oven set for 400 degrees. So the oven's preheated, and I'm just gonna put this fish in there until it gets a little crispy on the outside from all the flavoring and the oil and the liquid, and it's done. That's it. Quick and easy recipe. It's awesome tasting fish. Hope you guys enjoy it. We're gonna have more professional videos coming out in the near future. We're gonna get back to doing that. So stay with us and enjoy. Happy hunting and fishing. God bless you all. We love you. And continue making memories and enjoy the food, the fun, and the fellowship. Okay, so here's the finished product. Don't know how well you can see that. It's brown. It's not the prettiest looking, like I said, because of the liquid aminos. Which, by the way, I didn't say this previously. There's no salt needed to be added with this. You don't have to use Bragg's liquid aminos or anything like that. You can substitute it with soy sauce, obviously. But yeah, I put it in the oven for 12 minutes at 400 degrees. And so let's see what it tastes like here. I love it. I really do. I think, like I said, it's quick, simple, just a few ingredients. I joke around, use the term all the time. I call it dude food. Here I am by myself, Commando's Kitchen. Throw something together like this, have a healthy meal. And one of the reasons why, personally, I want to stay healthy, eat lean, eat good quality protein and healthy fats and all that is because I do a lot of hunting. I'm out in the field just like you guys are. So if I'm hunting out west, let's say it's an elk hunting trip in Colorado during archery season, I want to be able to run up and down those mountains, man. I want to be able to field dress and pack out meat and do all that kind of good stuff. And so part of the name of the game here is to stay healthy. I'm not pushing that on anybody, but this is definitely a healthy version of Fish Scampi right here. So hope you guys enjoy it.